Hello everyone, this is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video. What I want to do is give you some information on this software that I've been using that's allowing me to earn PayPal commissions directly to my PayPal, and they're instant commissions, and I'm just excited about this opportunity because it also allows you to bring in traffic for free through your Facebook. So normally a lot of people have a problem getting traffic or getting consistent traffic, and what we have here is a tool that's going to allow you to pretty much get this traffic ongoing, and they're going to give you commissions. You'll have the resale rights for this product. So if you are having a hard time getting targeted traffic, they have the Simple Social tools, which will allow you to get unlimited traffic, and it's 100% free. You don't have to waste your time. It's a drag and drop, beginner friendly, like it says, and I've been using it now for about 4 months, and it is really exciting because it's allowed me to get the results that I'm looking for, get me targeted leads, and then also get me commissions. So what I'm going to do is log into, this is my PayPal account. What I'm going to do here, let's just put it over here, up here maybe is better. I'm sorry guys. I'm going to log in again just to give you guys an idea of the payments that I've been receiving and how you can do the same. What I always tell people is when you start doing this, utilizing this system, you want to give it at least 30 to 45 days of continuous use for you to start really building momentum. It doesn't mean that you're not going to get sales and you're not going to get commissions, but for it to be consistent, you want to give this at least 30 to 45 days, okay? With anything new, you have to give it at least a couple of months, and then you'll start to see that it'll become more and more consistent as time goes on. So I'm going to go ahead and just minimize my screen so you guys can take a look at this. And here are some of the payments that I received, just some of the things that I do online, but also payments that came in from using this tool. Hold on really quick, I'm trying to extend the date. Okay, hold, how we do this here. Okay, here we go. Okay, so just in the past 90 days, I have consistent commissions that's coming in, and a lot of them is from using this software, okay? So what I do is basically just turn the software on, and then it runs pretty much manually. It runs on its own in the background as I work on other projects and stuff that I have going on. So if you want more information about this tool, my link is in the description below, and it'll give you information about how to use it. It'll allow you to become an affiliate so that you can start collecting commissions with it. You can get the free demo here, or you can just click here and get access to it. And it's really a great automation tool for Facebook, where you don't have to worry about getting blocked. You don't have to worry about moving too fast. It is automated and it's really simple to use. They have here, it allows you to target audience, message your new friends that come in, engage with friends' content, and you can also disconnect with people. So if you're trying to follow someone, or you send someone a friend request and they don't accept it, you can go ahead and remove them, okay? And with this one tool, you're gonna get all of this stuff here, okay? All of this here. So it's a 100% risk-free guaranteed. Within 14 days, they'll give you your money back if you don't like it, but I'm almost positive that you will love the tool, and it will really cut down the amount of time that you're spending to get traffic to your business. So if you want more information, you can click on the description below. If you would like to contact me to communicate with me about this software, you can also connect with me on Facebook or through email, and I'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you may have. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed, and thank you for watching my video. Have a great night.